Go ahead. This is in Piercefield. We're coming up on milepost 109 at Piercefield. We are going toward Utica from Tupper Lake. The mile marker on the left side of the track is milepost 109. I'm going to zero in, or attempt to zero in, so that you can see the condition of the track. Amtrak would never want this in the condition it's in. This is a 2 degree or 4 degree curve. This is a 4 degree curve. It's good. The video, the audio will pick up the noise, and that's good that they can hear the banging, I think. Why it had to be restored. What's the elevation on this?
Inches.
5-inch elevation between the rails, i.e. the outside rail is 5 inches higher than the inside rail. I'm steadying the camera on the dashboard of the truck. And this is a 70mm lens. This is beautiful territory, which you just simply do not see from the road. Straightened out a little bit. It's a crossing here of sorts. This is now 24mm lens to give you the wide angle view. I used the 70mm just to show the condition of the track, but this is to show the surroundings as well. Slightly uphill. less than 10 miles per hour. Now I'm going to switch back to the 70mm lens, and hopefully you can see the track better.